Alright, guys, welcome back. So, if you're somebody who is like starting out as a freelancer and you don't know, what is freelancing and how this thing works, but if you're somebody who is like who know, what is freelancing and directly wanted to know what are the methods to use in order to get clients, so you can skip this video and move to the methods, method series of this of this course or master class, you can say. So yeah, here you can see what is freelancing. So basically freelancing is a form of self-employment where individual offer their skills and services on a contract or project basis. So this is basically a self-employment, or in which you have a certain kind of skills and you just sell them as a service on a contract or project basis, rather than being tied or to a traditional full-time job with a single employer. So this is basically not a 9 to 5 job, which where you just connect with the single employer, sorry. So basically this is this is works when you sell a certain sort of skills you have. Like if you are a graphic designer, if you're a content writer, if you are a web developer, if you just know how to create designs, and many skills like automation, like how to create AI agents. So you wanted to sell them, you wanted to sell all those services to the B2B businesses, like business to business, or you can also sell directly to your customer, which is like B2C, business to customers. So this is what freelancing is. So freelancers are essentially independent contractors, and often working for multiple clients simultaneously. So this is pretty much understandable statement, which as a freelancer you work as an independent contractor for multiple clients. So I hope you understand what is freelancing, and what how you should be, how you should be starting out. So the first step is you should learn a simple skill, which is important. Moving ahead, we can moving ahead, you can see here big problem, client hunting. So in the freelancing industry, it is very important to know how you should find some clients, because if you don't have clients, then what's the point of having a skill, and what's the point of learning a skill. So here you can see in freelancing, the big problem is to find the client, hunt them, and then close them. So these are the three things. First we need to find the client, then we need to hunt them. Hunt means, we need to pitch them, and then, the final thing is we need to close them. Close means, they should make a decision to work with you. So this is what this states. So where to find them? In this master class, you will see where to find, what are the methods you can use, and what are the actual, automations. I will teach you guys how you can do automation using all of these, all of the data we find about the clients, or in any niche you want to find clients on. And the third point is how many times you should pitch a single client. So basically, you should pitch more than 7 times. So if you're somebody who's like, oh, I have just email a client like 2 3 times, and then I haven't got the reply, I haven't got a message from them. So you should have a mindset of pitching them more than 7 times. So this is how things work when put yourself in this industry. I hope you understand. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. And that's, see you the next one.